Okay guys, we got a 2024 Toyota Tundra. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life, maintenance required, whatever you want to call it. You're going to be using this right here, and you're going to turn the vehicle to the on position. So you're going to press this button twice. From there, you're going to, I'm going to try to zoom out so you can see both. You're going to press OK to get out of that screen. Scroll over until you get to the settings. Scroll down until you get to here. Go to vehicle settings, hold OK to change it. Scroll down, oil maintenance, press enter. Reset, press enter. And that's your oil maintenance. And then we'll go back really quick. You can do schedule maintenance as well and reset that. So that's how you do it. Again, we just use this keypad right here, and then we're looking over here. So it doesn't have anything to do with the odometer or this screen. Hopefully that helped, and I believe this works for a 2023 as well. But thanks for watching.